Got an Acura TLX key fob here. This is a 2021 model, but if you have a remote like this is how you open it up to replace the battery. First thing we're going to do is flip it over. There's a sliding switch here. We're going to slide to the right, hold it down with our thumb, remove the emergency key, get that out of our way, and that's going to help us split this remote open. Okay, now when we split this remote open, we want the buttons facing down, because once we open it, these buttons can fall out and fall all over the place. We don't want that to happen here in the car. But what we're going to do is I'm going to take the screwdriver like this, okay, and I'm just going to pry it, crack it open like this, okay? So hopefully you can see how I have this, like this, okay? See how I opened it up? Just bloop, bloop. All right. Now you can go in there and try to pick at it, but you will damage it. So I recommend doing it like I did. Now again, like you can hear these buttons, how loose they are. You don't want to flip it over, okay? We're going to hold it down like this, and we're just going to use this. There's a little slot here at the bottom just where you can pop the battery up. Battery size is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing out towards us. It goes in the top here like that and locks in. If you need a battery, I'll have a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new one if you need one. It's the correct size and everything. Recommend it. Now you get the back cover. Start at the top and work your way down. Just click it on. Put the emergency key back in and you are all done.